Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. One altcoin will outrun both Ethereum and Solana this cycle, according to macro guru Raoul. Next, DeFi passes gaming in October to become top sector in the decentralized app market, says DappRadar. Also, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF flips gold fund. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there are no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline: one altcoin will outrun both Ethereum and Solana this cycle, according to macro guru Raoul. Macro guru and Real Vision CEO Raoul is saying that Solana is likely to outperform Ethereum this cycle, but that one altcoin could potentially do even better. According to Powell, one top 20 altcoin by market cap and a relatively new entrant in the Layer 1 sector is likely to outperform not just Solana and Ethereum, but also Bitcoin. My view is that ETH begins to outpace BTC for the rest of the cycle, but underperforms Sol, and Sol underperforms Sui, as Sui is in the ultimate performance stage of adoption, early to proven. Sui is trading at $2.32 at time of writing, up by around 17% over the past week. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana are trading at $76,304, $2,949, and $205 respectively, up by 9%, 16%, and 21% respectively over the past week. Powell says that Ethereum's outperformance relative to Bitcoin will be driven partly by the fact that the crypto cycle has entered the risk-taking phase. The macro guru further says that the crypto industry is likely to enjoy a friendlier regulatory environment following the election of Donald Trump as the 47th U.S. president. You see, now that regulation is likely to dramatically improve for crypto, it allows two key potential developments. One, utility tokens in decentralized finance, or DeFi, to begin to offer yield or reward of underlying protocol which creates network value. Most of this is on ETH. Two, traditional finance, or TradFi, will likely begin to build larger use cases, but on the most tested, adopted chain. Think of ETH and the Layer 2s as the Microsoft of Web3. No one gets fired for using it. Those two elements alone can dramatically re-rate ETH and offset the current retail adoption on other chains, and ETH yields will attract more institutions. Yields allow other financial products to be built, such as guaranteed funds. With better regulations, this activity will explode. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline: DeFi passes gaming in October to become top sector in the decentralized app market, says DappRadar. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, passed gaming last month to become the top sector in the decentralized app, or DApp space, according to a new analysis from the market intelligence firm DappRadar. DappRadar notes that DeFi now accounts for 34.5% of overall DApp activity, compared to 24.5% for gaming and 17.7% for non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. In a notable shift, the gaming sector has lost its leading position within the DApp industry, now outpaced by DeFi. This rise in DeFi usage reflects not only October's market activity, but also highlights the impact of the U.S. elections in early November, which contributed to a surge in trading, particularly around meme coins. DappRadar notes DeFi clocked 7.4 million average daily unique active wallets, or DUAW, in October, making it the most dominant sector in the DApp space for the first time since early 2019. The firm also says social and artificial intelligence, or AI-focused dApps, witnessed less interest last month, hinting at the start of a new industry cycle. Additionally, total value locked, or TVL, in DeFi surged by 3.5% in October, reaching $165 billion. TVL refers to the amount of capital deposited within a protocol's smart contracts and is often used to gauge the health of a crypto ecosystem. The sector also raised $100 million last month, which DappRadar says underscores strong market confidence. Our next top headline: BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF flips gold fund. BlackRock's IBIT ETF now holds upward of $33 billion in assets, more than the asset manager's gold fund. BlackRock's Bitcoin exchange-traded fund now holds more assets than the asset manager's gold ETF, despite only launching in January. Data from BlackRock shows iShares Bitcoin Trust, or IBIT, exceeds $33 billion in net assets as of November 8th, surpassing iShares Gold Trust, or IAU, which holds just shy of that amount according to iShares. It's an absolutely wild feat because IBIT launched only 10 months ago, whereas IAU has been trading since 2005, Nate Garachi, president of the ETF store, said in a November 8th post on the X platform. The crypto market surged following Donald Trump's victory in the United States presidential election, as many believe his win will benefit the industry, Cointelegraph Research said. November 6th was IBIT's biggest volume day ever, as investors flocked to cryptocurrencies after Trump's election win, Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas said in a November 6th X post. On November 7th, IBIT clocked $1.1 billion in inflows, reclaiming inflow status after 2 consecutive days of outflows, totaling $113.3 million, according to Farside data. Meanwhile, Bitcoin continued the trend of consecutive daily all-time highs as BTC's price traded above $76,800. Bitcoin has dominated the ETF landscape this year, accounting for 6 of the top 10 most successful launches in 2024, Garachi said in an X post. Of the approximately 400 new ETFs launched in 2024, the 4 biggest launches by inflows have all been spot BTC ETFs, Garachi said in September. Trump's presidential win is a green light for more than half a dozen proposed crypto ETFs waiting on regulatory approval to list in the U.S. In 2024, asset managers submitted a flurry of regulatory filings to list ETFs holding altcoins including Solana, XRP, and Litecoin, among others. Issuers are also waiting on approval for several planned crypto index ETFs designed to hold diverse baskets of tokens. The filings were effectively call options on a Trump victory in the U.S. presidential race, Balchunas said on October 25th. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.